In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art in 5 minutes. Tab, to go to edit mode. Right-click and S to subdivide it 25 times like this. Let's add a clouds texture and the displace modifier. Please match my settings. S and X to scale in the X-axis. S and Y to scale in the Y-axis. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click to shade smooth. Let's bend this mesh 288 degrees on the X-axis. I'll rotate the mesh, so that the sharp parts will face up. I'll add a ground plane. Let's set up the render scene and apply the materials. I'll use the sky texture. I'll add color ramp and one more texture node to the golden materials to make it look more interesting. Let's turn off, use nodes, under compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.